Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to screenshot on iPhone 15 Plus. So it's very simple. Just click on the power button and the volume up button together. Okay, let's see. And it's done. You can click on a screenshot and make some changes. You can choose screen or full page screen if you screenshot Safari browser, or you can make some lines or change color or change size of the picture. So now it's all done. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.